United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 233. Safeguards with respect to straits used for international navigation. Nothing in sections 5, 6 and 7 affects the legal regime of straits used for international navigation. However, if a foreign ship other than those referred to in section 10 has committed a violation of the laws and regulations referred to in Article 42, paragraph 1a and b, causing or threatening major damage to the marine environment of the straits, the states bordering the straits may take appropriate enforcement measures, and if so shall respect mutatis mutandis the provisions of this section.